How to find your Binance wallet address. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can see your Binance wallet address by following some methods, so make sure to watch this video till the end. But before watching, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe option. So first thing first, download the Binance application onto a device and you will be able to see this kind of interface when you launch it. So after that, you need to verify your account in order to see your Binance code. So right now you can see I haven't verified my account, but I'm gonna tell you briefly on how you can see your crypto code. So for that, you need to follow this steps. So step 1, launch the Binance mobile app and log in into your account. After that, step 2, click on the wallet icon located at the bottom toolbar. You will be able to see this kind of interface, and on step 3, click on the deposit button. After that, tap on deposit, and step 4, locate the crypto tab. From there, choose which crypto you want to send or receive, and just like that, choose the correct network. If you need to copy your wallet address from the screen, you may just copy the wallet address from the screen. You will be able to see the wallet address here, and use the QR code provided by Binance, and there you will be able to see this kind of interface where you will receive this code. So just copy this wallet address and that should do it. So this is the wallet address that you can receive from your Binance app. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.